We welcome you back in the second innings. So Green X Gandarbal will be chasing a target of 148 runs in 120 deliveries. Muhammad Arif and Asif Aslam are the two batsmen in, and Manzoor Pando will start the first over. Oh, that has been flicked over the square leg region. That's a big six. What a start by Muhammad Arif. Excellent shot. Was on the pads. That was a full delivery. And that has been played over the square leg region for a six. So Muhammad Arif starting in the aggressive mode here. Manzoor Dar, second time in this over, will bowl to Muhammad Arif. Oh, excellent delivery. Was close to the bat, was close to the edge. They need wickets, they need early strike. So Manzoor Dar, an experienced bowler, is taking all his experience and will bowl his heart out here because the score is only 148 to chase. We are in the first over. Third time, Manzoor Pando will bowl to Muhammad Arif. Oh, that has been played over the long on region. That's a big six. Once again, Muhammad Arif is taking Manzoor Pando to the cleaners. So, the Green X has started the innings with a bang here. Two big sixes by Muhammad Arif. Three deliveries, in this innings. And we have already saw two big sixes by Muhammad Arif. They want to chase it as soon as possible. So now Manzoor Dar is adjusting the field here. Long on region now. A fielder has been placed in the long on region. The two fielders out. One is on the square leg boundary and long on region. Here is Manzoor. Oh, that has been placed towards the square leg region. Another boundary. Was a short of length delivery that has been placed towards the square leg boundary for a 4 by Muhammad Arif. So starting aggressively here, ultra aggressively, Manzoor Dar and his company are going back to think tank what they will do now, because the score is very low, 148. That is a below par total on this ground. Manzoor Dar, who was bowling his first over, has been taken to 16 runs of just 4 deliveries. So some change in the field. Now third man is going out and long on region is coming in. Here comes Manzoor Dar to Muhammad Arif. Excellent delivery. Played back to the bowler. No damage done. So last time in this over, Manzoor Dar will bowl to Muhammad Arif. Oh, excellent delivery. So that is the end of the first over by Manzoor Dar. That was an expensive one. The batsmen are trying to sneak a single here, but in the end there is no run. So at the end of first over, score is 16 for the loss of no wicket. Green X Gandarbal chasing a target of 148 in 20 overs, or after a flyer after Muhammad Arif smashed 2 sixes and a 4 to Manzoor Dar. शायद इस टूर्नामेंट का हमें आज देखने को मिलेगा। अलन वॉरियर्स की टीम इस टूर्नामेंट की फेवरेट टीम मानी जाती थी। जो ही वो इस टूर्नामेंट में आगे बढ़ते गए, जिस अंदाज से उन्होंने इस टूर्नामेंट की शुरुआत की थी, बेहतरीन क्रिकेट का मुजाहरा उन्होंने किया। आसिम बशीर उनके ऐसे खिलाड़ी जिन्होंने इस टूर्नामेंट की पहली शतक स्कोर की थी, बेहतरीन बल्लेबाज आसिम बशीर। उसके बाद आज
So Munir Butt, experienced bowler, will bowl the second over of this innings, of the second innings, and on strike will be Asif Aslam.
First ball that's wrapped on the pad. So, not out signal by the umpire. Was trying to play the sweep shot. Asif Aslam trying the aggressive route. The target is not big, but they want to chase it as soon as possible. Munir Bhatt to Asif. Excellent delivery, played back to the bowler. No damage done. So trying to build up pressure here. They need wickets. Alien Warriors, Green X Ganderbal on the charge here. Munir Bhatt to Asif. Played with soft hands toward the mid-wicket region. Manzoor Rad is there. Oh, slight misfield. Not by only by the keeper, but by the two fielders backing up. So they have sneaked an extra run, not one run, extra 2 runs. So 3 runs have been resulted where there should be a single run. 3 runs have been conceded by an overthrow. So the score moves quickly to 19 for no wicket. Munir Bhatt will now bowl to Muhammad Arif, who is playing very aggressively. Oh, excellent delivery. Inside edge towards the fine leg region. There will be only a single resulted, and that moves the score to 20. Fifth time in this over. Munir played with soft hands. Defensive. Muhammad Arif is playing aggressive and Asif Aslam is playing defensive role, the anchor role that is needed in this chase. And Munir Bhatt, who is bowling his first over, will bowl the last ball of his over. Munir played with soft hands, tried to sneak a single. There's a chance of a run out. No. Excellent fielding by the fielder. 2 overs, score is 20 for the loss of no wickets. Green X Ganderbal chasing a target of 148. So Manzoor Pandau has bowled only a single over, and there will be a new bowler. Shabroz Malik will now bowl from the Chinar end. Manzoor Pandau, who was taken to the cleaners by Muhammad Arif, has been replaced by Shabroz Malik. Muhammad Arif will take the strike and Shabroz Malik will bowl. Right arm over the stumps. That is played over the fine leg region. The fielder is chasing it. That will result in a boundary. So Muhammad Arif is playing the aggressive route. He is moving quickly. He is moving to 21. So 21 of 8 deliveries. He wants to finish it as soon as possible. So first ball that was short of length, tried to pull it and the ball goes to the fine leg boundary for 4 runs. Second time in this over, Shabroz Malik will bowl to Muhammad Arif. Oh, tried to launch it towards the cow corner region. Inside edge on the pad. No run. A dot ball. So Green X Ganderbal starting positively, starting aggressively here. After 2.2 score is 24 for no wicket. Alien Warriors need a wicket. They desperately need a wicket here. That has been played towards mid-on region. Manzoor Pandau is there, tried to sneak a single. Overthrow and 4. Overthrow and 4. Manzoor Dar has thrown it. Needless throw over the keeper. The two players that were backing up, Dr. Ramiz, couldn't gather it, and that has resulted in a 4. Manzoor Dar is furious here, Manzoor Pandau. So the overthrow has resulted in 4 runs. to Muhammad Arif, who moves to 25 of 10. Alien Warriors feeling the heat here, feeling the frustration here. They need a wicket. Shahroz Malik to Muhammad Arif. That has been launched into the orbit. That's a big six. An 80-meter hit by Muhammad Arif. They are trying to. So they are playing the aggressive route. They are trying to finish it as soon as possible. Muhammad Arif is moving quickly to 31 of 11. The score is 34 for no wicket. We are in the over number 3. So the message from the team is that play it cool. Don't give away your wicket. You have gone off a flyer. Muhammad Arif. Shahroz to Muhammad Arif. Has played towards the point region. No run. So after 2.5 score is 34 for no wicket. Muhammad Arif is on 31 of 12. Asif Aslam 3 of 5. Shahroz Malik already conceded 14 last time in this over. Played defensively towards the cover region. That is the end of over number 3. Score is 34 for no wicket. Green X Ganderbal now require 114 runs in 102 deliveries. This is almost a runnable situation. 10 wickets in hand. So easy chase here for Green X Ganderbal. Alien Warriors need a wicket. They desperately need a wicket here. For Faizan Zoor, what is the target? The target is 148. Saeed Kashmiri, ye kahan hai match? It is in the Batwina Zabji ground. So starting a fresh over here. Score is 34 after 3 overs. Munir Bhatt starting a fresh over, his second over. And Asif Aslam, who is on 3 of 6, is playing the anchor role here. Here goes Munir to Asif. Has been played towards the square leg region with soft hands, was on the pads. So Asif Aslam playing it cool. They know this is a runnable situation here. They can't lose wickets here and give opposition a chance to come back in this game. But Muhammad Arif, who is playing aggressively here, Munir Bhatt to Muhammad Arif. Tried to slog it over the cow corner region. In the end, decided against it. Constant chatting going on from the dressing room to Muhammad Arif that play it cool, play it cool. Munir Bhatt to Muhammad Arif. That has been flicked towards the square leg region. The ball is going towards the square leg boundary for 4 runs. Excellent batting by Muhammad Arif, playing according to merit of the ball. So he moves quickly to 35. The score moves to 39 for no wicket. We are in the over number 4. Alien Warriors with big names of Asim Bashir, Adil Kasru, Manzoor Dar are facing the heat here. They need a wicket. They desperately need a wicket. Green X Ganderbal, the underdogs, are playing very well. Trying to play a scoop. Going outside the line of the off stump. Not out signal by the umpire. A close call. Muhammad Arif tried to play a scoop shot here. So Asif Aslam giving some words of wisdom to Muhammad Arif that don't try these shots here. You don't need this. The score is already 39 for no wicket. We are in the 4th over. You are playing aggressively. Last time in this over to Muhammad Arif. That has been launched into the orbit. The fielder is under it. Can't take it. That's a big 6. So The game is finishing off close quickly, and the score moves to 45 for no wicket after 4 overs. They just need 103 now. Mohammad Arif is playing on 41 of 17 deliveries. Asif Aslam playing the anchor role of 4 runs from 7 deliveries. Asif Aslam, who is playing on 14 of 13 deliveries, and Mohammad Arif, who is playing on 41 of 17 deliveries. Now Munir Butt will bowl his third over and the sixth over of this innings and the last over of the power play. Score is 55 for none. Lot of crowd building in here. Mohammad Arif will now face who is playing aggressively. 41 of 17, 3 fours, 4 sixes. Here is Munir Butt to Mohammad Arif. Outside the off stump. Tried to play towards the point region. Didn't make any contact with the ball and no run. Mohammad Arif. Munir Butt to Mohammad Arif. That has been played towards the cover region. Trying to sneak a single. No, he can't. The cover fielder is alert. No run. The score is still 55 for no wicket. Munir Butt. That has been played towards the mid-wicket region. There is protection. Manzoor Pandho has thrown the ball towards the bowler and only a single. Morifat Kashmiri. Okay, sir. So Munir Butt will bowl the fourth ball of the sixth over to Asif Aslam, taking guard. Here goes Munir Butt to Asif. That has been played over the square leg. There's a fielder there. He can't stop the ball. The ball is running towards the boundary for 4 runs. Was a short off length delivery that was played with force by Asif Aslam, and that has resulted in a 4. Asif Aslam moves quickly to 18 of 14 deliveries. The score moving quickly to 60 for no wicket. We are in over number 6. So just 88 required of 86 deliveries for Green X Ganderbal, who are the underdogs before the match. Some big names in Alien Warriors: Manzoor Pandho, Sheikh Fahim, Asim Bashir, Adil Kazro, Munir Butt. So all have not been able to contribute for Alien Warriors that have been bundled out for 147 runs. 148 is the target for Green X Ganderbal. There are no big names for Green X Ganderbal, but they are playing it safe, they are playing it smart, they are playing it cool. To Asif Aslam, that has been played towards the mid-wicket region. For a single. Lone Ishtiyaq, Assalamu alaikum bhai. Walaikum salam. So Green X Ganderbal. Oh, this ball stayed low. The ball score at the end of 6 overs. There is some technical issue here. 6 overs, 62 for no wicket. So the final throw of the dice, the final throw of the hat in the ring that has been placed, that is Asim Bashir will bowl now, because all the bowlers had not able to take a wicket here. Manzoor Dao, Munir Butt, Shabroz Malik and Adil Kazru. Now Asim Bashir, will he take a wicket here? They are desperate for a wicket here. 6 overs, score is 62 for none. So Mohammad Arif, who is playing aggressive, 43 of 21 deliveries. So we are in the over number 7. First delivery from Asim Bashir to Mohammad Arif. Loop delivery, and is that a wicket? Yes, it is. loop delivery on leg break on leg